In a development that has sparked serious political controversy, the credibility of the Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation elections has come under the question over the use of a so-called indelible ink. Several videos circulating on social media show voters easily wiping off the ink mark from their fingers using acetone and nail polish remover, a mark that is meant to remain for days to prevent duplicate voting. The opposition has alleged that instead of using the standard indelible ink, marker pens were used at several polling booths, raising concerns over the possible misuse and electoral manipulation. Responding to the uproar, the State Election Commission acknowledged the complaints and ordered an immediate inquiry into the matter. Officials stated that the ink used should not be removable under normal circumstances and assured action if any deviation from protocol is found. Meanwhile, the Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation has dismissed the allegations, claiming that reports of ink being wiped off are incorrect and misleading. Adding to the controversy, a BJP minister from Maharashtra also claimed that his name was missing from the voter list, intensifying questions over electoral preparedness and transparency. With an overall voter turnout reported at around 50%, the controversy has once again brought the spotlight on election management, voter trust, and the integrity of democratic processes. As investigations continue, all eyes are now on the Election Commission's finding and whether accountability will follow.